Welcome to your dream home. This stunning 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is located in a highly desirable neighborhood and boasts upgrades throughout. From the moment you walk in, you'll be greeted by upgraded flooring that gleams under the natural light pouring in from the numerous windows that provide stunning views of the surrounding neighborhood. The kitchen is a chef's delight with beautiful wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances, a gas range, and custom built-in cabinets that make it perfect for an eat-in kitchen or homeschooling. The front French doors with glass insets offer abundant natural light, making the space bright and cheerful. The family room is a spacious oasis featuring a cozy brick fireplace that is perfect for relaxing after a long day. The dining room is big enough to fit a large table, perfect for hosting dinner parties with family and friends. The primary suite is a delightful retreat, with multiple windows offering breathtaking backyard views. The double closets provide ample space for your wardrobe, and the primary bath features a furniture-style double vanity, a separate bathtub and shower, and a private water closet. This home's split-bedroom plan provides privacy and tranquility for all, with 2 additional bedrooms that are perfect for everyone. The den could even be used as a nursery, making this home ideal for growth. Step outside and take in the beauty of the backyard, with mature trees providing shade and solitude. The back screen patio features a hot tub, perfect for de-stressing after a long day. The adjacent open-air patio is ideal for hosting BBQs or outdoor gatherings with guests. The fantastic community features a lakefront pool and play area, perfect outdoor entertainment, and with easy access to the 429 and 408, the Turnpike, Disney World, Orlando International Airport, and downtown Orlando are at your fingertips.